Hey, welcome back to the Thoughtful Voice. If you're new here, this is not a grammar class. This is where we build your confidence, your clarity, and your real English voice. Today we are talking about something very honest. You know English. You've studied for years. You understand grammar. You have vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You freeze. Your heart beats faster. Your throat feels tight. And suddenly, all your English disappears. Why? Why does this happen even when you know the words? That's what we are going to unpack today. And by the end of this video, you'll understand something powerful. You are not bad at English. You just never trained your brain for real-time speaking. Let's talk about it. Why freezing happens? First, I want you to relax. Freezing is not a language problem. It's a brain reaction. Let me explain something simple. When you speak in your native language, your brain doesn't translate. It doesn't check grammar rules. It doesn't search for vocabulary. It just flows. But when you speak English, your brain is doing too many things at once. Translating from your mother tongue. Checking grammar. Searching for the perfect word. Worrying about mistakes. Thinking about how others are judging you. That's 5 mental tasks at the same time. Of course you freeze. It's not weakness. It's overload. And here's something deeper. Sometimes you don't freeze because you don't know English. You freeze because you care too much. You want to sound smart. You want to sound correct. You don't want to look foolish. So your brain says, wait. Don't speak. It's not perfect yet. And silence happens. But fluency is not perfection. Fluency is movement. Let that sink in for a second. Movement. If your speech is moving, you are fluent in progress. The 4 real reasons you freeze. Let's break this down clearly. 1. Translation habit. You are not thinking in English. You are converting every sentence. This creates delay. And delay creates panic. 2. Fear of mistakes. You believe mistakes equal embarrassment. So your brain chooses silence over risk. 3. Performance pressure. You think speaking English is a test. It's not. It's communication. But your body reacts like it's an exam. 4. No real-time training. You practiced reading. You practiced writing. You watched videos. But did you train spontaneous speaking? Probably not in a structured way. And that's okay. We fix it. Now let's move into the solution. Because awareness is step 1. But structure is step 2. Step-by-step plan to stop freezing. Take this seriously. This is your action framework. Step 1. Lower the speed expectation. You don't need to speak fast. You need to speak steady. Most learners freeze because they try to sound like native speakers. That's unrealistic pressure. Instead, train yourself to speak calmly. Slow is not weak. Slow is controlled. This week, focus on speaking 20% slower than your normal attempt. Watch what happens. Your brain will relax. And relaxed brains perform better. Step 2. Train imperfect flow. This is powerful. Your goal is not perfect grammar. Your goal is continuous expression. Even if the sentence is simple. Instead of, I was, I mean, I have been, actually. Just say, yesterday I go market. It was busy. Is it grammatically perfect? No. Did communication happen? Yes. Fluency grows from expression, not silence. Perfection can improve later. Confidence must come first. Step 3. Practice thinking out loud, alone first. This is structured training. Every day, choose one topic. What I did today. My opinion about social media. My favorite movie. Something that annoyed me. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Speak continuously. No stopping. No restarting. If you don't know a word, explain it differently. Train flexibility. This rewires your brain for real-time response. And remember, you don't need audience first. You need comfort first. Step 4. Remove the judging voice in your head. Be honest. When you speak, is there a voice inside saying, "That sounded stupid. That grammar was wrong"? They are judging you. That voice is louder than your English. You must replace it. After speaking, instead of asking, "Was I perfect?" ask, "Did I communicate?" Change the evaluation system. Your brain follows the standard you set. Step 5. Build micro-speaking wins. Confidence doesn't come from big speeches. It comes from small successful moments. Speak one sentence in English during a call. Order something in English. Answer one question in class. Small wins build identity. Identity builds fluency. You don't become fluent by force. You become fluent by repetition of safe exposure. Step 6. Create a response framework. Many learners freeze because they don't know how to start. So let's create a structure you can always use. When someone asks a question, answer in 3 layers. Direct answer. Small explanation. One example. Example: do you like working from home? Yes, I do. Because it saves time and energy. For example, I don't have to travel 2 hours every day. That's structured response. Structure reduces panic. When your brain knows the format, it relaxes. Step 7. Accept physical anxiety. Sometimes your hands shake. Sometimes your voice feels dry. That's normal. Your body thinks you are in danger. But you're not. Next time you feel nervous, say internally, "This is excitement, not fear." Reframe the feeling. Your body cannot tell the difference between fear and excitement. But your interpretation changes performance. Let me tell you something honestly. You are not freezing because you are bad at English. You are freezing because you are afraid of being seen imperfect. But growth requires visibility.